Hello my beauties and cuties! Ever felt like your skin is super dry, maybe blotchy, also has some texture? Do you sometimes experience super dryness in some areas and then in others it's weirdly acne prone? That could be because your skin barrier is a little bit compromised, your skin is overly dry, or you just need some oomph to help your skin regenerate. So I would love to walk you through my step-by-step guide on how to make your skin dewy and glowy, and this is literally the hack I'm using whenever I feel like my skin is a little bit textured, my skin is dry or needs some extra love. This is really what helps my skin to regenerate, and I wake up guaranteed glowy and dewy in the morning. And without further ado, let's go. So imagine you just cleansed your face. I usually in the evening do a double cleanse. I go in with an oil cleanser and then go in with a gentle water-based cleanser. And imagine we have this step done already, and now what to do. Your skin feels blotchy, dry, not really radiant, and first hack, leave your skin damp. In fact, actually, I love to pat my skin dry and then go in with some thermal water, or like something which is not really coming out of the tap, because the tap water is not necessarily the best for your skin. I love, for example, this one from Caudalie, but any other thermal water will do, and this is not a must, but I love to pamper myself and literally use this. So I will show you on my hand what the steps are. So first things first, we will dampen the skin. This is the first step. Now the skin is damp, and afterwards, I want to go in with the hyaluronic acid. Again, you can use any, but I love this one from Hada Labo. I already talked about it a lot of times because you can really get a lot out of it. It has different molecular structures, and again, this is something which lasts you a while and doesn't break your bank account. So once your skin is damp, I will go in with the hyaluronic acid. So I will go in like this, and guys, just make sure to do this on your face, right? Well, even though I think also for your hands this is like an amazing trick to do, but I'll apply it on a damp skin and wait a little bit until this is a little bit more absorbed, but not fully. And while I do that, I sometimes do some facial exercises like the roundabout from the program. So now this is a little bit more absorbed, but it's still a little bit dewy. After that, I'll use some niacinamide serum, literally just a couple of drops, and massage it into the hyaluronic acid. And why do I do that? Well, niacinamide actually helps your skin regenerate and also enhances the skin barrier, and it also is an amazing brightening ingredient, and it really doesn't is too acidic, so you can use it anytime throughout the day, but this is also amazing for the evening. And why do we do that on hyaluronic acid? The hyaluronic acid will pull with the water the niacinamide even deeper into the skin, and this is what I do as the third step in that, so to speak, routine. Once that is a little bit absorbed but not fully, we will go in with a moisturizer. I usually love to use this one from CeraVe. It's the moisturizing lotion. Again, you can see it literally is half a liter, and you can buy it for a couple of euros, couple of dollars in almost any pharmacy. It will not break your bank. I love to travel with this, and I'll just apply a little bit onto my skin and massage it in. So now we have a bunch of layers already, which are amazing for your skin barrier and your skin health. My skin or my hand will be glowing after. Once this is sinking in, I am going in actually usually in that step and do some facial massages, because you have sufficient slip, you have sufficient glide, and just release the tension from your face. But once this is more or less absorbed, the last step would be to put an occlusive layer over everything. And that could be in form of a facial oil or even stronger Vaseline. So I usually sometimes even do both. So I literally drop a couple of drops of this, literally 1 or 2 drops for the entire face is enough, and then I pat it into the skin. I will not actually rub that much, even though I do a little bit, and then I pat it in. Again, wait a little bit until this is a little bit absorbed. And then lastly, I usually go in with Vaseline. As you can see, I already used this quite a bit. I take a little bit onto my hand and I take it onto my palm. I warm it up like this. And then since my hand is my example today, I literally pat the Vaseline into the skin. I would do this super thin layer, which is distributed between my hands, and pat it onto my face. And this literally locks everything in. You will wake up glowy and dewy, and this will lock in hydration. This will also nurture your skin pretty deep because the niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid will go quite deeply into the skin. And this is literally my hack, which guarantees most of the time that I wake up glowy and dewy. But I have to say, if you actually suffer from severe acne, I would hold off on that method. I do actually have acne prone skin, so I know what I'm talking about. I use this method and I didn't break out from it. Try it out for yourself and see how it goes for you. But again, I think if you completely are like really oily and really acne prone, I would hold off on the Vaseline, because the Vaseline is really like a occlusive layer, and so if you have a lot of bacteria due to your acne, or bacteria, and then the acne arises, then this can even spread more. So yes, guys, I hope actually you will try it out and let me know how you liked it. But this is really like my hack whenever I am. I also do that in summer. Like, it feels a lot, but it really like enhances my skin. It really enhances my skin barrier after a while. And again, if you have some tips or tricks which I can implement even more, make sure to leave them in the comments. Or even if you have questions in terms of products or ingredients, make sure to comment below or write me a DM on Instagram. And with that being said, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. And I hope you will wake up and be dewy, glowy, and beautiful from the inside out as well. And don't forget your facial exercises and massages. Much love. Till then, mwah.